Hey YouTube, this is Alan for Joe Mechanic, and today, so I've been doing some Xbox videos and what you guys, should do. I just figured I'd do a video on how to disassemble one. So, let's get into this right away because I can do it pretty fast, but just for the sake of you guys. First step, faceplate. I like to just take this top right corner by the USB ports and you just basically push it. That will pop off. Next is the side panels. If you can see in there, so I'm trying to find one on the camera. Well, there's these little tabs that you just have to poke with the smallest screwdriver. You gotta pop the first one off. But let's see. There's one right there, and the other one is kind of hidden right there. Depending on your model Xbox, they're all going to be a little different. This one is probably the easier one out of the two. Okay, sometimes you'll get lucky like that. Okay, this next step. Okay, as I was saying in my last video, the security thing is right there. I've opened this one already. Okay, so next you got 4 tabs. You got tab right there, right there, right there, and right there. So basically, you just take your finger, pry this end one open, the next one open, and the next one, then this final one, you just kind of unhook like that, and that will come loose. Next, take off your eject button. You just kind of take your finger in there and do that. Okay, now you flip it over to the back, and this Xbox is kind of busted right there, so you might see me struggle there, but you have one. Here, I'll point to these with a screwdriver. Hopefully my back didn't clip. Okay, you have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you guys saw that. And then you have 2 more down here. And basically, if you have the Xbox facing like it would normally sit, there will be these tabs, and you push up on these tabs with your small screwdriver or pin or whatever you guys are using. Okay, I want to get it so you guys can see this. Okay, so you just look for the little tabs and you'll hear them click, and it sounds like that one already is. Okay, like I said, this side is a little messed up, so okay, see, that's been busted already. I should probably just rip that off, but okay, so there's your one side. Next, you are going to need a T10 screwdriver on the Torx head. Now, you're going to need to remove this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, that. Okay, simple. People always point them out and you get confused which ones they are. Here's a new trick. The heads are flat. See, that kind of head is round. That kind of head is flat. So now let's see, where is it? Okay, it's kind of out of focus there. Okay, so now you just remove those 10 screws, or 6 screws, sorry, so they can just pop on, and then you just pull them through. Okay, now this next part is going to be kind of important, so make sure you do not make sure you're doing it the exact same way I am, otherwise you could wreck something. Okay, once you have all those out, as I do, I believe, you gotta hold it and flip it 360, or all the way around. Then you can just, this might take a little bit of enthusiasm to get out. See, this is where it's important to take the eject button out, because this little slot right there, the eject button will get caught in that. Okay, so now you're just going to pop this piece off, and then in here you got your nice motherboard. Okay, I'm just gonna take this fan shroud off. Oh no. Okay, well, here's the DVD drive. Here's one of your heat sinks. The other heat sink is underneath the DVD drive. So like this one was the one that turned off randomly, and this was full of dust. So basically, you got to make sure you blow out the power parts, the AV connector, the power USB ports. Do not blow it directly in them. With that main general idea, and then this will usually be clogged. To disconnect the DVD drive, you just pry those out like so. So there's the inside view. Then you can take off your fan shroud, and then blow your fans out, just to remove all the dust and everything like that. So I hope this helped you guys. Putting it back together is reverse what I just did. So good luck, guys. Peace out.